Hey guys, welcome to Purus Quarantia, the one and only place where you get positive vibes about the negative things surrounding us. 2 days back, I guess every cricketer has a heartbreak because MS Dhoni has announced his retirement. Even I had a, feel because being a cricket fan, obviously everyone do feels that, right? But instead I was devastated when I got to know Dr. Thiruvengadam has expired due to a cardiac arrest. Okay? Many of you don't know who is this doctor. So let me say you. I guess many of you have seen this hit movie Mersal of Vijay. Yeah, actor Vijay. So in that the 5 rupees doctor is there, right? Yeah. That character has been inspired from this doctor. From past many decades, he was serving us only for 5 rupees. Where we'll not even get a chai outside. He's serving for just 5 rupees. And start he used to serve only for 2 rupees, and the public themselves has pressurized that please hike 2 rupees, what you will earn from 2 rupees, and then he hiked it for 5 rupees. From 1973 he has not even taken 1 day leave and has been continuously serving us. And even in this pandemic he took 1 month leave because obviously he is 70 years old and for his health reasons he has taken 1 month leave. And when he got to know that private hospitals are charging lakhs and lakhs of rupees just for small things like asthma, just to book a bed we are almost paying 1 lakh to reserve a bed in a private hospital. And when he got to know that, he again resumed his service. And before 2 days of his death also, he served us. The irony is, his daughter, when asked what is the future of the clinic, she said, I still didn't think about it. I don't have an idea. I have to think about it enough. She, being a qualified doctor, couldn't give us a promise that yes, this will be continued. And I say that is not her fault. This is our fault because we ourselves encourage star kids, celebrities kids who doesn't even have a talent to come into the industry of what they want, what they choose. We give them the record, we give them the break and what all they need. And after that, if some incident happens, again we come back with a theory called nepotism. And I say in this situation, we should encourage nepotism. In this doctor's case, we should encourage nepotism because the daughter of this doctor, Thiruvengadam, is a qualified doctor. She has all the qualifications which are required to run a clinic. But all she doesn't have is the hope. The hope that if we serve this country selflessly, we may have no future, we may have no identity. And yes, she is right, because we can't name 20 soldiers who have died for us right there in the border. We can't name 20 doctors who have lost their life serving us in this pandemic. And we can name 10, 20, 30 number of cricketers, movie celebrities and what so-called celebrities which this paid media propagands. And everyone says, right, India is a developing country, how much it will develop? Yes, it will be developing country until we don't develop ourselves, our individual vision. Development is not confined only to the government, it should be in the vision of ourselves, it should be in the individual. The so-called developed country, US, has shown gratitude to our Indian doctor for her services. Yes, Dr. Uma Madhusudan has got a unique gesture of gratitude from the US citizens because of her services in this pandemic. And we don't even recognize the doctors and leave that, we don't even allow them to come into the houses. We just throw them if they are being a tenants in our houses. See the condition. And obviously that made her lose the hope. So what I think is, we need to develop gratitude towards the real heroes of the country. Okay, we can adore the celebrities, but we should be grateful to the true heroes who are serving us. Hey comrades, if you agree this opinion of mine, please do like, share and subscribe to Purus Quarantia.